In this video, I want to talk about how you can fix blurry images on Shopify. Now, if your shop has blurry images, I'll quickly show you how you can fix it. Now, there are five different methods that you can try, and the first one is to make sure the pictures you're uploading are high quality. So this should be at least 2048 pixels wide. That's the standard for Shopify. So just make sure it's this. Now the second one is to check your theme settings. So go to your store, themes, customize, which should be here. And then go to themes and customize. And in there, you want to look for theme settings, which is on the left side. Look for any options to adjust quality. Now the next one is to inspect the theme code. So in the theme code editor, it should be in there. Just make sure that the img underscore URL isn't too small or some sort of stuff like that. Now the next one is you can use an app. So there are different apps like TinyIMG or Avada SEO and Image Optimizer that you can download in here. So come in here and you can do it from in here. Now the last one is to disable some apps. If this only happened after installing some certain apps, you can just uninstall them. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.